Welcome to 3854 Bowfin Trl, where living on the water's edge and connecting with nature come together in a perfect blend. Located in the highly desired resort-style community of Bellalago. Whether you're a boat enthusiast, love to entertain friends and family, or just looking for your own piece of paradise, then this home and lifestyle are for you. Owning this home opens the door to a lifetime of memories with loved ones around the oversized, fully upgraded kitchen and cooking island. This gourmet kitchen is perfect for anyone that loves to cook or just loves to have the space needed to prepare a great meal. All dressed with beautiful granite, upgraded cabinetry, and lighting. The first level also offers a large open living and dining area, a second bedroom and bath, walk-in laundry, as well as a walk-in pantry. Your huge master suite covers the entire side of the property with Trey Ceilings and direct access to the patio. The deluxe master bath was designed to perfection with an extra large walk-in closet, individual dressing area, dual sink vanity, garden tub, and a huge walk-in shower with dual shower heads. The second level offers a large loft that can be a theater, game room, or extra living space, as well as 4 bedrooms and 2 additional baths. The in-law quarters with separate kitchenette are perfect for large or multi-generational families. If outdoor living is on your checklist, then this is your home. Enjoy the sun or the shade in full privacy with your favorite glass of wine, or a great book will soothe the soul at any time of day. The occasional deer and eagle sightings are an added bonus, and if boating is your pleasure, then bring your boat to the community dock and enjoy the community from a different perspective, boasting beauty and nature all in one. Bellalago is nestled on Lake Tahoe's shoreline with over 300 acres of lakes, waterways, eagle preserves, walking trails, 3 pools, 2 fitness centers, daily activities, 24-hour manned gated security, and much more. This home is much more than just a home. It's a lifestyle, and it's the start of a new chapter in your life. Welcome home.